explain. For example, if you go to Iran, you don't need to book hotel or you think about food or some place for sleep. No, just you need to walk in the street. Everybody came to you and say, you can came to my home, you can eat there, you can take shower, you can live with me how many days you are here.
I heard about that. Yeah, it's really like
everybody take picture with you because they love European people.
Really?
Yeah, but if somebody came from, I don't say which country, but some country about Asia, no, nobody then say to them, where are you from, why you are here,
they're not interested in like some Asian.
This is racist. But they don't know what
they don't realize what they're doing.
And European people say, oh, Iranian people, they have nice hospitality, or but no, this is racist. If we are good it is. If we have good hospitality, it's for everybody.
Yeah, this is
They are from they are from there, Europe, Africa, America, it's the same. People are people,
Yeah, that's true, but why just...
I don't know. Really,
interesting, because, well, Muslims are like... We have a picture of Muslim people, Muslim nations that don't like anything from the West.
No, Iran is really different.
It's really different.
Yeah.
So why Asians? Why? This is so weird. Because Asians, why? They can't drive.
Not every country. For example, people from Japan, we love them also too. I don't want to say which country we don't like.
Why? Say.
For example, we have around 7 million Afghanian people in Iran. It's very bad. They don't have documents in Iran.
So
they work every day. They work black in the black market.
Black market, yeah.
And they are so cheap. They, for example, if I work there and I get salary, for example, €5 for 1 hour, for them is €3. They work hard, more than us.
But they're paid less.
Yeah, and they don't have any documents. They married in Iran. They have child. The child born in Iran
is not.
They don't have a document. They can't go to a school. They cannot go to university. Yeah, this problem is not for people. This is from regime. Regime is bad.
This is politics and religion.
But also some people, they said, why they came to our country? Why they work here?
Yeah.
They are people.
But they are Muslim.
They are Muslim, but they are Sunni.
Okay.
They have one God, one book, messenger. They are the same.
Everything is the same,
but they don't. They said you are. Atheist is not good for this. They said you are unbeliever.
Unbeliever in the right faith.
And they said you are unbeliever. We are right. They said no, we are right.
Yeah.
But they don't have a lot of information about. It's very bad, but.
This is just like picking teams.
Yeah.
For sport event.
But yeah.
Interesting. Really interesting. Your whole story.
Fuck, este man rigid.